young man stood in front of the lush green apartment building and sighed. "Mentor, this place is far from the city, but the environment is amazing. If I had $2 million to buy it, I would. Too bad I'm broke." The mentor adjusted his glasses and smiled knowingly. "Who told you that you need to buy an asset to make money? Actually, I already scouted this place last week." The mentor pointed up. "I've done my homework. There are 10 rooms. The landlord is an elderly man. He doesn't hate the building, but he hates the hassle. To him, managing tenants and repairs is wasting his retirement." They knocked on the door. The mentor spoke directly, like an old friend. "Sir, I know you want to enjoy your retirement, not worry about chasing rent or fixing pipes. How about this? I'll lease all 10 rooms. 5-year contract. Whether they are empty or full, I pay you the fixed market rate. You don't lift a finger, you just enjoy your life." It was exactly what the old man wanted. Asset security without the headache. That very afternoon, they signed the contract. Walking out, the young man worried. "But mentor, we don't have the capital to pay the rent." The mentor replied calmly, "We won't pay it. The future tourists will." Step 1. Leveraging the unique greenery, they branded the rooms as an urban forest retreat, doing a deep clean and style upgrade. Step 2. He invited a travel influencer to stay for free, filming a video titled "Escape the City Noise." The moment the video went live, inquiries from stressed-out city people exploded. The mentor did the math for him. Rent it to a local long-term, you get maybe $800 a month. But in our hands, this is a healing Airbnb. We sell it for $100 a night. Even at just 50% occupancy, these 10 rooms generate at least $15,000 a month. Subtract the rent to the landlord, subtract the $900 monthly cleaning fee, and the rest is pure profit. The young man was convinced. He didn't spend a dime buying the building, yet he was making more than the owner. The mentor looked at him. "Remember, ownership gives you security. Control gives you fortune. The rich don't work for assets. They make assets flow for them. So, do you want to be the landlord fixing toilets at 3 a.m. or the operator counting cash on the beach? Because only a fool buys the whole cow just to drink the milk."